everything and the perform.
Praise the Lord. Praise Master Jesus. Then at the assembly now with the quarrel. Okay now. So, I think it's not sure I don't know, it's in a club.
That's my club.
I want to hear your mouth. Now church with that, not still club. If you don't say you big pass code, sit down. Don't continue the laugh. They break your heart. And joke with. Oh yeah, but men they celebrate God, men they clap it. It's not easy. And they look like a teacher. Oh wow. When I say appreciate the Otutu of Nigeria, but I know what they talk about. Our papa, our daddy, Pastor Felix, Pastor Lovely, anyone. When I say appreciate me, when I say clap for me. Okay, you can see that. This one made them celebrate me, so I can't crack joke and no laugh. How you go come be? I crack joke, you don't laugh, you don't say your problem big pass my own. Normally. And they like the way America they sneeze. If they want sneeze, now like this, excuse me please. Come Nigeria. Until you see I go praise. May sneeze. See, say it till the door. Hey! You go hold on. Hey! Person they come and go say, now waiting. Now waiting, tell you. I beg. You're not suffering. No, not be smart thing. My grandmama people come greet us. They before 2 for here, 1 for center. The woman they center, 2 for this side. Around 12 o'clock in the night. Now I got to see how people they pay whether not sneeze they call them. The first one just start now. The other one start. The third one said, the woman said, the second one carry. The first one carry. I go see my go meet my grandpa for his house. I see say that one day on Jah. Jah 1, Jah 2, Jah 3. Now I try to go up, now I chop up. They see the country more. They welcome to UAR. Only the country. I go back home which day for you? I think I get time. No, because I teach you not first. I go back home which day for you? I go meet the woman. How much for? Can you say 200 naira? I give her 200. Give me 100 naira change. Wahala dey there. Okay. I want chop the corn. The woman say break corn for me. You made the seller. For UAR. No, not be smarting. Not be smarting the apple for this country. Not be smarting the apple. Huh? If I say my start to the cry, now I don't know where they cry. If you want rent house, I beg, rent house for rainy season. May you know which you the rent. No, not be joke. I can't go rent house for dry season. I want rent house now. How much for a year? They say 200. I say I decrease. I want marry. Now rent house 200 for Benin. I go another place. I come Selu. I want rent house. Wait now. Men I never laugh now. I come Selu. I want rent house. They come say 1,200 to rent house. I come Bomo rent house. I enter park, enter inside everything. The TV, everything there. They come invite me for program. I can't go crack joke. They come and start to the fall. Can you imagine? And I never know what happen. I bet me I hear the clap for me. I tell them what happen. As I come back, oh God, I dey inside keke. I see my pot and spoon. Then they swim. The next day I say, no, my neighbor get this kind of pot and spoon. I go front. I see my television they swim. They show super story. For inside swimming pool. For inside erosion. I go say, no. This one not be my house because when I rent the house, it's very comfortable. I don't know say rain I start too. And the near house, I dey see say my neighbor soup may put for fire, they run the pass. Now one woman say, my daughter go make her buy. I say, wetin happen? He say soup dey go. Say, mommy, how you tell me? Say, she is bleeding. Now they quick make her buy. Now the woman tell her, say, come, I never put Maggi. Say, I'll put am. I come dey go now. I see say erosion enter his house. Erosion carry landlord wife enter my room. We don't do anything. No, not be small thing. The way police say they arrange boys now, I don't like am. I no carry motor, I no carry anything. I hear the waka dey go. I hold paper bag. Police say park. I say I no carry motor. They say park your leg. Now I got to do the park leg. I got the park leg. He said, you they can ask me no question. He said, who are you? I look up. I say, I be human being. He said, who you be? I say, I be comedian. He come ask me one bad question. He said, you be comedian. I say, but I don't know you. He said, you know I go die? I say, yes. I told him I know I go die. He said, you know I go save? I say, yes. You know basket mat? I said, you know Godon? I say, yes. He said, why I not gonna know you? You say you be comedian. Okay. You know, say women be Benin boys. We know they take class. Now I ask her, I say, I know commander. I know AIG. Why I not gonna know you? Now the man come look, he come like say at the advisor, policeman. He come stand like this for 5 seconds. He come say, what you do? I say, our two need to also. So that mean they go our name. The other one may just vex me. I dey on my car, but I no carry her come. If police say I park, I go down. They say, where you dey go? I say, I dey go my friend house. They say, who be your friend? I say, my friend dey stay with my friend. You know, say there's a bad question. They go say, where you dey go? But you carry landlord for one. They check out, they say, what is this inside? Nothing there inside. They say, you're under arrest. I said, for what? Say, you have the mind to steal something. Because they are all this thing. I beg, see, I go praise. I beg you, if they give you 5 million, or they'll give you me, who you carry? God, you made them with shame. You want to disgrace me? Jesus, guess. Now, boy, I ask question, get answer. It's at church. No wahala. Okay, what of 50,000? Yeah? Okay, what of they keep me for here? They keep Asia, who you carry? You don't see you now. I want to ask one question before I come on to shit, made a shit for inside bush, and one made a shit for water system. Which one sweet fast? I go by the name S1+1 aka Wahala. Thank you.